Hello friend, we already see how we can use DOM create method. With the help of that we can create element, we can create text node, we can create comment. But it is meaningless to create comment in JavaScript, HTML comment in JavaScript, because we define comment for our better understanding. If we define with the help of JavaScript, it means we are providing, when we inspect, then we can able to see the comment, but we cannot use in our HTML because we cannot see in our HTML document. So that's why I'm not going to discuss further create comment. Okay, now we will see the two method, which is appendChild and insertBefore. This is two method used to insert the element or text node that we create with the help of DOM create method. Now we will see how practically we implement appendChild and insertBefore. Okay, this is the document that we were using in our last video. In this video we create h1 element with the help of document.createElement, and we create text node with the help of document.createText node. Okay, now we will see how we can append this text in our h1 tag. For that we use create element, this is our element, dot appendChild, and after that we provide round bracket, and here we provide the name of the text node, which is create text node. Okay, now after that we use semicolon, and here we have to print the, I just remove from here and just paste the console.log here. I just paste here. Now let's save, and after that we see in console, you can see in our h1 tag we have hello friend, welcome to BroLearner. Okay, now we will see how we can display this h1 tag in our this gray div. Okay, I provide here the styling and that div tag. You can see this is our div tag and styling, and this is empty. You can see we have this container ID. For that we have to target this. We have to use here where target, and after that we use document.getElement by ID, and here we provide the ID name, which is our container. After that we use target dot appendChild, and here we provide what we have to append is create element. Now after that we provide semicolon. Now let's save. You can see hello friend and welcome to BroLearner is printed. You can clearly see this is how we can append with the help of appendChild. Okay, but you can see this is append at the end of the HTML tag. For example, if we have here, if I provide h1 tag, and here I provide heading, and after that we provide paragraph, for example, and here I provide dummy text, and hit enter. Now let's say, you can see first we have heading, and after that we have that dummy text, and at the end we have hello friend, welcome to BroLearner. After appendChild we see this is appending the children in the at the end. You can clearly see here we provide the heading and lorem in our element. For example, if I you can see we have in this div we have our h1 tag and p tag, which is our document, okay, in our document, which is in our document. Okay, now after that we append this hello friend, welcome to BroLearner, which is at the end. Now we will see how we can append at the top of our div. Okay, for that we have to just use, I just comment this, and after that we use here, we have to use target dot insert before, and after that we provide the round bracket, and here we provide what we want to insert. We want to insert create element, and after that we provide the semicolon, and we provide target dot child node, and after that we provide the from where we have to insert. We want to insert before the first node, which is 0 node. Okay, now let's save. You can see this is our document. Now this is inserted before the heading, and heading is the 0th index, and this is inserted before that. Okay, now if we provide 1 here, you can see it inserted after heading. Now let's save. It is nothing is happened. Why? Because it count the text first. Okay, here I just use not text, here I just use 2. Now let's save. Now you can see it is heading is our first, and this is the this is at the second position. If we want to insert after lorem or dummy text, we provide here at the 4th index. Just provide 4th. Now let's save. You can see it is inserted at the end, which is by default with the help of target dot append child. So this is how we can use insert element with the help of append child and insert before if we want to insert at a particular position. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.